Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already, head over to Instagram and follow me there for more daily updates in between vlogs. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Elise, and today's video is going to be some little cleaning tips for before you're hosting a party or before you have family coming into town. Just little things that get overlooked sometimes, like the junk drawer being emptied out, cleaning under the couches, and just little things like that. This drawer is the catch-all for all of our stuff, including the kids. They're little things that they leave downstairs that are too small for me to be running up and down the stairs multiple times. I usually will just stick in here things like slime that I don't want upstairs, but I also don't want Hank to have access to. All go in this drawer, including our bills and lists and endless projects. So I just needed to go through and get all of the trash out of here. That was the bulk of what was in the drawer, and then just organize out the rest of it. This drawer is so much better now and so much more manageable. Hopefully we can keep it this way for at least a little while. And now comes the hard part, which is putting everything where it goes throughout the house, which is kind of scattered everywhere. So this video was shot the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm trying my best to prep the whole house. And on my list, I actually added bathrooms, but I'm gonna wait until Nick gets home or until Hank is taking a nap to clean the bathrooms, just so that I can give everything a really good cleaning and have it all ready for our guests. So next chore up that I'm going to tackle is cleaning underneath our ottoman and our couches downstairs. And oh my gosh, there was so much stuff under there. And I pride myself on not having stuff shoved under my couch, but let me tell you, and you're going to see in just a minute, I pulled so much junk out from under there. I mean, trash, pistachio shells, toys. I think there was even a rogue cup under there. So there was a lot, even under my couch, I was ashamed to say. But hey, we're all only human, and I'm using my envirowand. It's the green thing that's on the floor there to actually pull stuff out from under the couch. And it has a microfiber pad on there, and this is by the brand Norwex. They make really awesome microfiber products, and I'm using that not only to clean under the couches for where our hardwood is to dust, but also it's a great tool to get stuff out from underneath the couch as well. Leave me a comment down below with things that you like to get done before you have guests come into town. And I could not believe how much stuff was under our couches in just such a short period of time. Our house is only about 8 months old, and I guess that's a while, but I had no idea that we had accumulated so much stuff under there because I'm hardly ever down on the floor to look at it. But I knew recently I saw some stuff peeking out from under the ottoman, so I figured I would give everything a good cleaning, and I was super shocked when I saw how much stuff was actually under there. So after I get everything picked up and put away in the toy bin, I'm just gonna hit everything with my Dyson cordless vacuum, and I like this vacuum because it actually fits flush underneath our couches, so I can vacuum underneath them as well. I did just dust them, but you know, the vacuuming is awesome too. That's a great option for day to day. And then I had some laundry that I just needed to keep up on, so I'm gonna fold this really quick and then get that put away in Colton's room. Another task I wanted to do today was to empty out this toy bin a little bit and take some toys upstairs. I usually don't allow the kids to keep stuffed animals and bulky things like that in our toy bin downstairs. So I'm going to take all of that upstairs and spread it out between Hank's toy bins in his room. And he's not very happy about it. He didn't want me to take all of his toys upstairs, but I still left him a good amount of stuff down here. So I'm going to take the laundry and the toys up there and get everything put away. We do the majority of our family time downstairs, but I was really shocked that there was nothing upstairs except for one Buzz Lightyear toy under the kids' couches. So go kids, you're actually not shoving food under the couches anymore. I feel like cleaning air return vents is something that a lot of people miss, especially when they're gonna host a party or have functions at their home. And you could see how dirty mine was and how great the envirowand does at taking away all of that dust. I like to just run it across there. You could also use your vacuum, but this envirowand actually does a great job of trapping the dust in the end of it and doesn't, you know, shower dust down on top of you while you're doing it. Okay, so I finished everything on my list with the exception of the bathrooms. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.